2015 honey was sitting in the gravel aisle. The rust on the fender, but it's all I got. The headlights dim from 1,000 miles, still run strong through the dirt and trials. Long days, dust on my worn out jeans. So I push through the door where the neon gleams. Barroom quiet with a jukebox hum. Bartender nods when I walk in, slides me down a cold beer in a frosted glass. Says, take your time, son, let the night pass. That's when I saw by the corner light an old gray man sitting there all night. 2 beers down and the story started. Life and love and a broken heart. He said, son, this road ain't always clear, but truth comes easy over a beer. Outside waits that old Ram truck, inside we're talking about faith and love. He said he once drove the highways wide with a woman he loved riding by his side, but time rolls on like a highway line. Leaves you thinking about the past sometimes. I nodded slow while the neon shine let his old words settle in my mind. He raised his glass and he said to me, life's like roads you can't always see, but keep your wheels turning, keep your heart strong, and thank the Lord when the nights feel long. 2 beers down and the night grows late. Bar lights dim by the county gate. I step outside where the cool wind blows. Start that Ram and down the road it goes. But I'll remember that quiet barn and that old man's words like a guiding star. I'll remember that quiet barn, the old man's words like a guiding star.